Offer your existing customers additional discounts and reward at the time of a purchase to help your referral marketing process. A great way to speed up your referral marketing process is by offering existing customers additional discounts and rewards at the time of the purchase. For example, consider offering a coupon code or a special discount to clients in exchange for sharing their purchase with their friends on social media. The Groupon company did this very well by offering great discounts for each referral from social media. Providing discounts and savings as options to customers is a great way to encourage affiliate and reward current customers by making the purchase cheaper. It is a win-win situation. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.